Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build financial freedom with Redfin, complete guide step by step clearly. First, familiarize yourself with the Redfin website and app interface. Create an account on Redfin to access additional features and tools. Set your financial goals regarding real estate investment. Conduct thorough research on your local housing market. Utilize Redfin's data analytics to understand market trends. Identify neighborhoods that align with your investment goals. Examine property values, appreciation rates, and rental yields in these areas. Once you have selected a neighborhood, explore the available properties. Use Redfin's filters to narrow down properties that meet your criteria. Evaluate different property types, such as single-family homes, condos, or townhouses. Take advantage of Redfin's 3D virtual tours to gain insights without an in-person visit. Schedule in-person showings for properties that interest you. Assess the properties carefully, looking for potential repairs or improvements. Consult with a Redfin agent for expert advice and negotiation strategies. Determine your budget, factoring in all costs associated with purchasing. Get pre-approved for a mortgage to understand your financing options. This step will provide you leverage when negotiating with sellers. Once you find a suitable property, make an attractive offer. Be prepared for counteroffers and negotiate effectively. After securing the property, consider renovations that may increase its value. Research local contractors and suppliers for your remodeling needs. Track your investment progress and budget accordingly. Stay informed about the market conditions and property values. Consider renting out your properties to generate passive income. Use Redfin's rental tools to analyze rental potential and tenant demand. Regularly review your financial goals and adjust strategies as needed. Network with other investors to share insights and opportunities. Keep an eye out for additional investment properties to expand your portfolio. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.